Welcome to America's most advanced bullet train factory, where a $100 million gold luxury train is
The journey begins in the design office, where aerospace engineers and railway specialists collaborate to create. Every curve, bolt, and component model is digitally modeled using advanced CAD software, ensuring perfect
Reroute the diagnostics to the secondary array. I want a full breakdown on that vortex.
Physical wind tunnel testing validates computer simulations, revealing how the train body interacts with air at extreme speeds under various weather conditions. After months of refinement, the final blueprints are approved and digitally transmitted to the manufacturing floor, where actual production will begin immediately.
Premium raw materials arrive from specialized suppliers across America in aerospace-grade aluminum.
Approved materials are stored in climate-controlled warehouses with precise inventory tracking, ensuring proper conditions before they enter the manufacturing process. Welcome to the heart of production, where advanced robotics and human expertise combine to transform raw materials into precision-engineered train components.
Computer-controlled CNC machines shape each panel to exact specifications, creating the aerodynamic curves essential for reducing drag at high speeds.
Massive hydraulic presses apply thousands of tons of pressure to form flat aluminum sheets into complex three-dimensional shapes for the train body.
Intelligent robots handle delicate panels with precision, transporting components between workstations while avoiding any damage to the perfectly formed surfaces.
Axial force seems low here.
Yes, I see that. Let's monitor the torque readings closely as it passes the midpoint.
The friction stir process generates intense heat through mechanical friction, causing metals to flow together and form incredibly strong permanent bonds.
All right, bring it down 5 more centimeters on the west side. Easy now, steady.
Looks good from here. Maintain the descent.
6 robotic welding arms work in perfect synchronization, creating thousands of precisely placed welds to join body sections with consistent quality.
Check the alignment on the left side.
Looks good from here.
We need to secure the panel at section 4.
Clearances look good on the left side.
Confirmed. We are green for the next sector.
The train arrives at a specialized facility in Nevada, where advanced physical vapor deposition technology will apply the signature gold coating.
all systems reporting green.
Confirmed. Chamber stabilization sequence initiated.
Gold alloy vaporizes into atomic particles under intense electromagnetic fields, creating a plasma cloud that will uniformly coat the train's surface. Gold atoms deposit uniformly across the surface, building a thin but perfect coating that provides corrosion resistance. Sophisticated instruments measure coating thickness to ensure uniform coverage across every panel, verifying the gold layer meets exact engineering specifications.
Robotic polishing systems buff the gold surface to a perfect mirror finish, enhancing its visual appeal while maintaining the protective coating integrity.
A transparent protective layer seals the gold coating, providing scratch resistance and maintaining the brilliant shine for decades of service.
The gold-coated body emerges as a masterpiece of engineering and luxury, ready to receive its mechanical systems and interior appointments. Simultaneously, specialized facilities manufacture the critical bogie assemblies that will support and guide the train at extreme speeds with perfect stability. Forged steel wheels are created under thousands of tons of pressure, compressing metal grains to create extremely strong, dense wheel sets. Precision CNC lathes machine each wheel to micron-level accuracy, creating perfectly balanced wheel sets essential for smooth, high-speed operation and passenger comfort. Precision ground axles are assembled with high-performance bearings, creating wheel sets capable of supporting massive weight while rotating smoothly at high speeds.
Advanced shock-absorbing suspension systems are manufactured using aerospace technology designed to isolate passengers from
Sophisticated disc brake systems with redundant safety features are assembled, capable of safely stopping the massive train from maximum speed in emergencies.
The completed bogie represents the culmination of precision engineering, ready to support the golden train body and provide stable, high-speed travel.
Each bogie undergoes rigorous testing on simulation rigs that replicate years of service conditions.
The energy throughput at peak velocity is exceeding projections.
I see the thermal load stabilizing. We are clear for the next phase.
Slow descent, we're clear at 2 inches.
Alignment confirmed. Level is steady.
Roger that. Final placement complete.
Regenerative braking systems capture kinetic energy during deceleration, converting it back into electricity that's returned to the power grid or stored.
Artificial intelligence-powered energy management systems continuously optimize power usage, maximizing efficiency and reducing operational costs throughout every journey.
Miles of fire-resistant copper wiring are manufactured to exact specifications, carrying power and data throughout the train with absolute reliability and safety. Skilled technicians hand-assemble intricate wiring harnesses, organizing thousands of connections that will power every system from lighting to propulsion control. Integrated power systems undergo extreme testing under simulated fault conditions, verifying safety features and
The luxury interior components are crafted in New York, where skilled artisans blend traditional craftsmanship with modern.
Specialized sound insulation panels using aerospace acoustic technology are manufactured to create a whisper-quiet cabin environment even at maximum speed. Master craftsmen apply gold trim details by hand, creating bespoke interior panels that exemplify luxury while maintaining durability for daily service.
Premium Italian leather is hand-stitched over ergonomically designed seat frames, combining supreme comfort with aesthetic excellence for the ultimate passenger experience.
The lumbar pressure is still spiking during the rapid cycle.
It aligns with the stress data from the left bolster. We need to adjust the actuator limits.
Tint saturation is complete.
Quality check passed. Move to the next stage.
Advanced multi-layer flooring systems incorporate shock absorption, sound dampening, and premium surface materials to
Individual climate control systems for each passenger zone ensure perfect temperature and air quality, adapting automatically to preferences and external conditions.
Luxury restrooms with touchless fixtures, premium materials, and ambient lighting provide 5-star hotel comfort.
Exclusive VR control with KIPEs, premium takings received.
In Massachusetts, aerospace engineers design and build the driver's cabin, creating a technological command center. Advanced digital control panels with redundant touchscreen displays and physical backup provide drivers with comprehensive
Artificial intelligence systems assist drivers with speed optimization, obstacle detection, and predictive maintenance alert.
Comprehensive monitoring displays provide drivers with real-time information on speed, track conditions, upcoming signals, and system health.
Multiple layers of emergency override systems ensure drivers can take manual control instantly if needed, with fail-safe mechanisms protecting against all contingencies. The ergonomically designed cabin reduces driver fatigue during long journeys, with every control positioned for intuitive access.
Advanced communication systems connect drivers with control centers, passengers, and emergency services, ensuring continuous.
Specialized safety facility develops and tests the multiple redundant systems that make this train one of the safest high-speed vehicles ever created. Automatic train protection systems with triple redundancy continuously monitor speed and track conditions, automatically intervening to prevent any unsafe operating conditions.
Radar and lidar collision avoidance sensors create a three-dimensional map ahead of the train. Detect
Advanced fire suppression using environmentally safe agents can automatically extinguish fires in any section.
Seismic sensors detect sect earthquake seismic before ship.
Computer vision systems continuously scan the track ahead, identifying obstacles and anomalies, providing early.
Hundreds of temperature sensors monitor every system from motors to passenger areas, detecting overheating issues before they become problems and ensuring optimal comfort.
Look at the transient response right here.
I see it. The phase difference indicates a loosening in the coupling.
Yeah.
Check the projected load for sector gamma at 0800.
The AI suggests a reroute due to weather anomaly. System health is stable.
Easy now, align to the mark. Lowering final few centimeters.
High-voltage power systems are interconnected between cars, with redundant connections and safety interlocks, ensuring continuous, reliable power throughout the entire train.
Advanced articulated couplings join train cars, allowing smooth movement through curves while maintaining passenger comfort and structural integrity at high speeds.
Sophisticated software systems across all cars are synchronized, enabling coordinated control of propulsion, braking. The completed train stands as a testament to engineering excellence, ready to begin the rigorous testing phase.